Hello everyone! Today we'll show you how to install the Blender add-on wrap, whose full name is Wrap for Blender. Click on Preferences, Add-ons, then Install from Disk. Locate the add-on's path and click on the add-on zip file. Select Install from Disk. OK, we can see it has been successfully installed. This is the add-on's basic information. Here is where you entered the email address and password you used when purchasing the add-on. You need to enter them here to use the add-on properly. OK, the add-on is now installed. Press the shortcut key N, and a tab labeled Wrap Specifically, Wrap for Blender will appear here, indicating that the add-on has been successfully installed. Alright, in the next video we'll go over how to use this add-on in detail. Bye!